Hey guys, Parrot Gaming back. I have the flu right now, so hi. Now in one of my past videos, I did make a doo 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 with my mouth, but now I don't. I've got brand new sound effects, and so yeah, yee yee. It's only because I've got a phone now. I mean, like I never had a phone in the past. I'm sorry. Um, but yeah, but it's on the ground right now. Someone's ringing me. Really freaking Deadpool! No! Freaking Deadpool. Hate him. Anyway, we're going to be reacting to Life is Fun from Boy in the Band and The Odd Ones Out. So, sorry, I just like messing around with these things. Listen. I'm sorry. Now, in my school, everybody, I think I started it because I said it, but everybody's talking about this. Like that. Seriously. They are. And there's also a bird. In the comments, guess what bird that is. And at the end, I'll probably do another spit on my screen. Yeah. Anyways, I'll probably play it again. It's probably too loud. Anyways, let's get on with it.
Such a beautiful day. The sun's shining in a beautiful way. Gonna take a shower, brush my teeth, then life is ultimately meaningless. But I'll get out of the house, get on the road, top down, hands out on my favorite song, and nod to the rhythm.
This is good so far. Alright, so Boy in the Band's opposite to Good Feelings. No, is he negative and then Odd Ones Out positive?
The friendliest friends can't think of a better way to spend my time. Your brain is flawed and all your friends will die.
Oh my god, that's dark. I don't live in the USA, so I don't know.
The slaves and bald eagles on board. I can live in the moment, milk every second.
So that's his YouTube
Just be happy, no matter what's in store.
symbol. He's doing a symbol. Like I said, I've only heard the chorus of this, so I know this part. Okay, I haven't seen it from here. Well, I mean, like, everyone. Oh, never mind. I think it's in the middle bit. Oh, that's... I'm gonna get demonetized. Well, he didn't get demonetized, so I guess I won't.
With nothing to distract from it. But man, I'm a passionate graduate. I could be different and I have career paths to pick from. I could be a rapper or an animator.
You're both, because you're literally rapping right now. And you're an animator.
You're a slave to people born richer than you. Then screw it! I'll keep going in, then I'll party on the weekend and sing. No, thanks to Auto-Tune. It goes downhill. We gotta make the most of it, make the most of it. Or you're a defective. Still die. We gotta make the most of it, make the most of it. Life is a wonder. Never know the answer. Nature's a miracle. Natural disasters. It's good to be alive.
Scrolling sucks about.
But I'm healthy. Healthy people still get cancer. I love this show. The last episode. The sun is shining. It's going to explode. Every species is beautiful and
Oh, look at that lizard and bird.
Malaria thanks to mosquitoes. I met a cute girl with a ponytail. Statistically, that relationship is going to fail. I have a wonderful family. It's like no other. You're not special, and one day you'll bury your mother.
Jeez.
No matter what, I can find
I would say G's do too. Well, not exactly that, but still.
There's no escape in the heat death of the universe. I don't have to live life based on negative parts. No matter how bad they are, they're just thoughts. Yeah, that's fair. Wait, Really? Yeah, this seems reasonable. Wait, but you were just telling me to... Whatever, man, I don't know, live your life how you want. I'm not forcing you to do anything, I'm just saying. Oh! Well, in that
Life is fun. You gotta make the most of it, make the most of it. Oh, I thought it was so long to go down for it. Make the most of it, make the most of it.
enjoy it while it lasts.
I thought it was negative! Anyways, I've got to watch that sometime. Anyways, this is a cheat. Anyways, that was it for now. But yeah, so I have no idea what to say here. But wait, is my phone ringing? Yep. Damn you freaking! I hung up before he could continue. What was that noise? Did I get a text message? Let me just check. Yep, I did. Wait, don't tell me he's sending me more.
Text message.
Oh, go away! SpongeBob, go away. It's not fun anymore. How's my phone still working? Seriously.
Who's texting me?
That's a bit weird. Anyways, see everybody. So here's the challenge. That was, what bird is this? I'll give you another listen. And wear your seatbelt. Not with a predator though. Oh crud, run, everybody run. This is funny. Hi, this is my setup. Like I said, run and wear your seatbelt.